Welcome guys to the first race of the season here at the Daytona International Speedway. For the trucks, we're going to do a very good race. We have a stage, 10 laps the first stage, 10 laps the second stage, and 30 laps the last stage. How many time did you expect? So in this moment for the moment I'm gonna be publishing the complete race, but if you want I'm gonna to do a highlights from the race if you want. No, and again, so these cars aren't qualified for it. Todd Peck, Timothy Beans, Parker Clearman, Clay Greenfield, Ray Ciccarelli, Dawson Crum, Jess Iwuhi. Here we are at Daytona. Johnny Sutter. So we have rim flag back in the air here for the Daytona 500 in this chase. Next Era Energy 20, 2000, 2015, 2050. Lap number 1, and we see to Johnny Sutter trying to cover up by Tegel Fogelman. A very good race we have ahead. Lap number 2. Oh, what happened to Saint Smith? Oh, poor Saint Smith. But he could recover the line. Lap number 2. A caution! A very early caution. We have Spencer Boy out of the race. Now we see. My goodness, we have pit stops, man. You're probably to be kidding me. Do it, man, do it. No, dude. Yeah. Alright. So Spencer Boyd here is out. The only car is out, I think. Yeah. Spencer Boyd is out, man. So we are going to restart. So we are going to add one more lap. We are going to restart lap 4. Now we see green flag back in the air. Oh no. Oh no. Never mind. Now we see the very huge lead. The first group, Timothy Peters taking the lead away by Chandler Smith, Johnny Sutter. Oh, here comes Chandler Smith. Chandler Smith losing. Oh, poor Chandler Smith. He gets this to the second group. So lap number 5 right now here for Daytona, dude. Oh, Grandenfinger taking the lead away by I think he's Tegel Fogelman. Very good race. Oh, Elfinger sliding. And we see Grandenfinger. Oh, Denny Bond to the outside lane, trying to pass away by Grandenfinger. Lap number 6. Have 5 laps to go in the stage number 1. 5 laps to go. Stage number 1. Now we see Grandenfinger in the lead for this stage. For this first stage. Oh, Haley Deegan. And gets in the middle of the first 2. Oh, this race is a very loose. Tyler Ankrum to the outside lane, takes the lead away. Lap number 7. Oh, what happened to Chandler Midman? Lap number 7. Ankrum and Bond fighting for the first position at this duel. Now we see. Trying to hold the lead away. Here comes Bond. Oh, Dollar losing a little bit with Tyler Ankrum. Now we see. Lap number 8. The second group fighting very aggressive for positions. Lap number 8. Danny Bond with the lead away by Tyler Ankrum, Grant Hemfinger, Tegel Fogelman. Now we see. Here comes the 12. Oh, Gilligan slides and he's losing away. Alright, we have 2 laps to go. Here at this first stage. Now we see Gilligan slides very behind and Tyler Ankrum taking the lead away by Danny Bond. Oh, Cody Roper sliding away. Another car. We have white flag here at the stage number 1. I think it's gonna be Ankrum taking the stage win. White flag. Tyler Ankrum very far away by his rivals. And we see, oh, here comes Hemfinger, here comes Sutter. Oh my goodness. Oh, here comes Sutter trying to take second. We're going to position right here at the. Here they come to the stage number 1. It's gonna be Tyler Ankrum winning stage 1 at Daytona. Very good for Tyler Ankrum. Oh, what happened? What happened to Sheldon? What happened to Sheldon? Do we have a caution? We are going to stop the race wait a minute. But we will be back. ¿Qué más? ¿Qué tema? ¿Qué levanta ahí? Hablando inglés, ¿no? Back. Okay, I'm back right now. We're going to. Alright, boys. Stage number 2. Now we see. We're going to start the second stage. Green flag. Forward for the lead. Tyler Ankrum taking the lead. Drew Dollar is behind of him. Carson Holzberg trying to take third position, I mean. Ankrum in the lead away. Here comes Dollar taking the lead away. Drew Dollar takes the lead at Daytona with the men of the Kyle Busch Motorsport. Oh, what happened to Matt Crafton? Lap 12. Sorry, Spencer Boy. See, Dollar very far away by right now. Gapping Tyler Ankrum. Friesen sliding away. Dollar with the lead away. Now we see lap 13. Here comes Ankrum. Oh, but Dollar Here comes Ankrum to the lead, away by Drew Dollar. Have only one caution, well, two cautions. The caution of Spencer Boyd and the caution from the end of first stage. A new lap, lap 14. Dollard and Ankrum fighting very hard for this first position, but the difference is that Dollard can have point, so this victory only significates a victory. Yeah, it's not much for the driver of the 51. Oh goodness, Derek Krause sliding away. Lap 15. 6 laps to go here at the Daytona International Speedway. Rio Dollar. Now Tyler Ankrum. Rafael Lessard. The 55 of. I think he's. Oh! Bong sliding away. Happening to the. One more lap here at that race. Now we see a lap 16. We have 5 laps to go at this first day. $3. Oh, Rafael Lazar taking second. Here comes Hosbar, trying to take third position. Lazar taking second. Lazar is to a part-time driver, because he's gonna be at Xfinity too. A new lap. 4 laps to go here at the stage number 2. Lap 17. Spencer Boy is the only car he's out at the moment. $2. Rafael Lazar fighting pretty aggressive. Oh, Dollar slides away. Lazar takes the lead away. Lap 18. Dollar and Ankrum fighting for second position. Poor Chandler Smith, very behind. But now Rafael Lazar with a very comfortable lead. We're going to have 2 laps to go here at the stage number 2. Oh, but here they comes. Dollar and Ankrum again trying to attack to Lazar. Dollar take the lead away at Daytona. 2 laps to go at the stage number 2. Going to slide. The spotter very crazy with Rafael Lazar. To the outside, coming away. Now to the inside again, to the outside again. Lazar again to the inside. Very good race now we're having. And white flag at the stage number 2. Have white flag. Lazar with the lead away by Drew Dollar and Tyler Ankrum. He needs only a very. He needs hope, because he's very ahead of. Oh my goodness! Oh, Ankrum is sliding away. Let's go right here, and it's gonna be Lazard winning stage number 2 at Daytona. Oh, and Nemechek sliding away too at the end. If Lazard win this, spotter is the team is gonna be crazy, because he's a part-time driver. Gonna come back in a minute, man. Alright, I'm back. We have now 13 laps here 30 laps here at Daytona. For this final stage we have green flag at the air. Alright, let's do this right now. Now we see Grant Enfinger taking the lead away by Cody Roper. Oh, here comes Roper again. Oh my goodness. Oh, Smith sliding away. Oh, I almost forgot. We beat lap 25. Lap 21 in the moment. In 4 laps we need to stop. We are gonna to do our pit stop. Enfinger taking the lead. Drew Dollar is second. Haley Deegan is in third. Haley Deegan is in third. Oh my god. Cousin trying to take now third. Enfinger is still with the lead away by Drew Dollar. Lap 22. Almost forgot. Oh, here comes Dollar, trying to take the lead away by Grant Enfinger. You do it, man. Unbelievable. Now trying. Finger is sliding away. Now we see Jordan Anderson in third position, but Lazard taking third. Oh, Fogelman is sliding a little bit. Lap 23. Very hard. Now we see. Oh, Fogelman now slides. Slides. My god. Gilligan. Almost near to slides. Two unsponsored cars together. Oh, now we see. I think in the lead away by Dollar. Oh my goodness, did you just see that? For now we see. I think Dollar. Jonathan Anderson, Rafael Lazard, Gosling, Cody. I don't know how to. Oh, caution! Caution! Caution is out. I think it's Jennifer Jacob. So we have the fourth caution of the day right now. Again is. First we are going to make our pit stop, and later we are going to. I'm gonna see. Yeah, Jennifer Jacob is out. Oh, when the 9 trying to take the lead by Enfinger right now. All beaten right now. Now we see. We're going to start lap 26. Enfinger taking the lead away by the 9 right now at pits. No more pit stops. No more pit stop, man. Only a pit stop here for the trucks. For the Xfinity I'm gonna make 2, and for the Cub I'm going to make 3. Yeah, man. Oh, I think now. What is happening that? I I can't believe it, man. We have four cautions to the day right now. We're going to restart lap 26 right now. Now we see green flag at the air. Let's do this. At Daytona, sliding. Now we see Cody Rockbar taking the lead away. Oh, Ankrum slides. Here comes this the 55. He's gonna take the lead right now at the Daytona International Speedway, lap 27. Lap 27 right now. Taking the lead. Oh, but the nine. Oh. Jason White slides. Lap 28 right now. Oh, into the wall. I think it's Stuart Friesen going into the wall. Cody Roper trying to take the lead away. Three wide. Now again. Oh my god. White's very flighty now. Wow. Lap 29 right now here at the Daytona International Speedway for the trucks. Here comes. Lap 30. Lap 31. Very great lead for Cody Roper. Very good away. Oh my god, this race is unbelievable now. Gilligan takes second. My goodness. Caution. That Gilligan is out. So we are going to stop the race a minute. Follow me. Alright, boys. Oh, wait. Again, man. Why this is happening, man? Alright? Alright. Alright, wait me. Because we're going to restart lap 34. Riva! Hello, Akram, taking the lead away again. 3 DNF and 5 caution at the moment. Austin Wayself. New lap. Lap 35. We have right now, I think, 16 laps to go here at Daytona. Very hard race right now. A car sliding! Oh, he saved it. Oh, it was Tanner Gray. Austin Waynesell with a very comfortable lead right now. Second is Dean. Third position is Stuart Friesen. Right now. Fighting for second, oh my god. Oh my god, the 33 is sliding. Lap 37 right now. Wayne's, oh! In the moment, it was a 4 wide. At Daytona. Here comes John Hunter Nemechek, but Enfinger taking the lead away by Waynesell. This is the most emotional Daytona 500? I don't know. Obviously, yes. Nearly to... Not caution, man, you serious? Tanner Race is out. Caution is out. Oh my god, I do it that time. So, oh my goodness. Tanner Gray. Do it. That's it, man. Need to put a new lap. We have green flag. Crown low. Now it's serious. Lap 14. 11 laps to go. Here comes the 0-2 trying to take the lead. 4 DNF, 6 cautions. Believable. Stuart Friesen taking the lead. Because almost we have 10 laps to go. 10 laps. The lap laps here at Daytona. So Friesen trying to get his the first win ever at this series. I talking the first win, the first point race win. Here comes Grand Finger to the outside again. Here they come. Sliding, trying, almost. Grand Finger and I think 9 laps to go. 20. Here comes Friesen to take the lead. Now we see to the outside. God, it's like what? Oh my God, David Gilligan is sliding very much. Now we see 8 laps to go here at Daytona. All waiting for Stuart Friesen. Because he's in the lead right now. Cut 3. Oh, James Busher. A little. Oh, here comes Friesen. Trying to, now we see. 7 laps to go. It's intense, man. Now Austin Wayneself trying to take the lead by Stuart Friesen. Gonna be a close final, finally. Finally, a good race. Ankrum, oh, Timothy Peters is sliding. The 28 is sliding very much. He's in last position. 6 laps to go, man. Oh, Wayne says for slides. Friesen taking the lead. Here comes Timothy Peters. Always still good, man. Here comes Timothy Peters. Outside. Oh, he can. 5 laps to go, and now we see only 5 laps to go, man. Oh, heel. 5 laps, and this first race is emotional, man. Friesen is in the lead away by Grant Enfinger. See, so Friesen, Grant Enfinger. Trying to slide in, now we see Sir Friesen. 4 laps to go. Sir Friesen looking for the win. The first win ever for the trucks. Almost. Very much. Only an overtime, I think it's gonna change all. It's emotional. It's overtime or not overtime. Oh my goodness. Fighting for second position. Now sliding away. James Busher. Timothy Peters sliding away. He pushed Busher. Now we see. Man, have 3 laps to go here at the Daytona International Speedway for the trucks. Chris White taking second position away. Trying to be very attentive to the pace at these cars. Here comes Chris White. Oh, sliding. And he saved it. 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go, man. Unbelievable. Goodness, Chris White. Here comes Comes Truex to the outside, trying to take the lead away by the Star Friesen. He do it. My goodness, a very good race for the. Now we see white flag. One more lap to. Wait a minute. Now white flag. One more lap to go. Is sponsored by Credit One Bank. Only 4 turns for Ryan Truex to take the victory. Here comes Friesen, trying to take the lead with a very good race. Now we see. We're going to wait the cars right here. Now we see. Here they comes. Through the checker flag. I think it's gonna be Star Friesen. Wins at Daytona. And he's at the playoff. Good job to Star Friesen. Oh, and Ankrum gets out at the last lap. But unbelievable, man. The race is over. Thanks for this.